5:42 now. Time to check in on the national stories making headlines. For that, we turn to Russ Mitchell for what's happening now in America. Hi, Russ.
Hey, Lena. Good evening. Good evening to you at home as well. Within the past few minutes, we have learned the Supreme Court is clearing the way for President Trump to move ahead with restrictions on mail-in voting. The president's executive order would require the Postal Service to deliver mail ballots only to voters on lists created by the federal government. That ruling comes just about 2.5 months from the key midterm elections, and it's still unclear how quickly the restrictions could be put in place, and further legal challenges could still delay that plan as well. Also today, after the U.S. and Canada failed to reach a trade deal last week, the U.S. is now imposing a 50% tariff on $20 billion worth of Canadian products. Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney says Canada will match U.S. tariffs dollar for dollar in sectors including steel, dairy, appliances, agricultural equipment, and electronics. But the Trump administration is brushing off the impacts some economists say those Canadian tariffs will have.
This covers 0.06% of U.S. consumption. The vast majority of goods that our small businesses trade in are made in the USA or they're duty-free. So this is something where we don't actually expect a huge impact.
Canada's retaliatory tariffs are set to take effect on September 8th. The U.S. military says 2 people were killed in a strike on an alleged drug trafficking boat in the Eastern Pacific. This marks the first strike by the U.S. military on alleged drug boats in 2 months. In Nevada, a state of emergency is growing as firefighters race to contain a rapidly expanded wildfire near Reno. The Hawk Fire exploded in size over the weekend, destroying homes and forcing more than 40,000 people to evacuate. Authorities say this was caused by humans, and the investigation is ongoing.